confusion in regards to the length of the hair of the Prophet ﷺ, and the hadith where imitating the opposite gender draws Allah's curse upon the person. So he says, how can we reconcile? There's no problem. The Arabs long ago, and still do in some tribes, consider growing the hair and maybe braiding it part of being brave and cavalier, parts of being a macho man. So at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, the norm was that they used to prolong their hair. And that was not considered to be imitating women because they had long beard and they had big biceps and they were strong and they were men. They used to fight in battle and they used to be real men. 360, unlike today. So the Prophet ﷺ's hair was this long, that used to reach his ear or a little bit to the shoulder level. And this was the norm, and there's no problem in that. Nowadays, if I see a punk growing his hair and maybe tying it to a ribbon or putting something over his head, I don't know what they call it, and this is definitely either one of the two. Either he's imitating women, and you can tell by how soft he is, or he's imitating the kafirs, the disbelievers, because the Muslims don't do this nowadays. So it depends on the customs. If he's living among his tribe and all tribesmen are having long hair, there's no problem in doing that at all.